Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the must-do deals for CVS next week. So I didn't separate them into online and in-store because a lot of you have let me know that online is so small as far as their inventory. Every time I try to do an online haul, the products are always sold out. So instead, what I'm going to do is go back to just doing one video for the must-do deals for CVS. Most of them are going to be available online, but whether the stock is going to be there or not, of course, is another question. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and that notification bell. I do have another giveaway going on. It's a redo giveaway for that $10 gift card. The two winners that I had chosen never reached out. So instead of choosing another winner from that previous video, I just want to redo the giveaway. That way I can hopefully get someone who has that notification bell clicked. And that way when I announce the winners, you guys will be able to let me know it's you, shoot me an email, and I can send out this gift card. So how to enter that giveaway is in my Walgreens must-do deals video. So if you haven't checked that out yet after this video, it will be linked at the end. Make sure you head over there. It will be linked in the description box as well. So stay tuned in this video. I do have 3 great freebies that you can take advantage of at CVS next week. These deals are going to start on Sunday the 19th. And go through the 25th of April. I also have an oral care deal scenario using a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT and a great scenario for the spend 20, get a $5 extra back. So let's go ahead and dive right in. The all laundry detergent is a little bit cheaper at Walgreens next week. Walgreens, it'll be $2.88, so it'll save you an additional 11 cents. If you prefer to shop at CVS, still an amazing deal. It's going to be on sale for $2.99. Use the dollar coupon we're going to be getting in our $4.19 inserts. It's the Retail Me Not. So your final cost is going to be just $1.99. We are going to be getting 2 inserts on Sunday. I did post the coupon insert preview video earlier this morning. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you head over there as well. See what kind of coupons we're going to be getting on Sunday and if it's worth it for you to either purchase them online or buy a Sunday paper. I am going to be getting 1 paper like usual. If I need any additional inserts or coupons, I always purchase those online. The websites that I use are always listed in the description box of all of the videos. We are getting a nice BIC coupon, which is going to make for a moneymaker at Walgreens using Checkout 51. So I do have that posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, make sure you head over there and follow me. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. Anytime there are some great matchups or deals, I always post it on my Instagram. Okay, Tresemme. This is going to be a really great deal. A lot of people reach out. They prefer Tresemme above all the other brands. So I definitely wanted to share this hair care deal with you. And of course, it does track towards CVS Beauty. So they're going to be on sale 2 for $10. We are getting a 2 off of 2 instant coupon. So in order to get that instant coupon, you do have to go in store and you have to go to that red box coupon center that you see pictured right here next to the Tresemme. Once you type in your phone number, you will get the instant coupons and you can definitely use that this week on the deal. We are also getting a 4 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday paper. That one is going to be regional. The coupon insert preview that I posted, it did not show that coupon, which means it's going to be a regional coupon. So fingers crossed that my region gets it because I would really like to take advantage of this deal. So using both of those coupons, and if you have a $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme CRT, you're going to pay just $1.50 for both. I put 22. That's obviously a typo. I mean $1.50 for 2 or 75 cents each. So a great deal for that. We have Suave hair care as well. They are on sale 2 for $6. And when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. So the deal is we are getting $1 Suave Professional coupons in our $4.19 Retail Me Not. So if you use 2 of those, and if you happen to have a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT, I've been getting those the last couple weeks, so fingers crossed we can get that again on Sunday. You'll pay $2, get back a $3 extra buck, so final cost is free and a $1 moneymaker. The $6 as well tracks towards CVS Beauty. Dove is on sale, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. It does include all of these items listed, so the 7th generation, Love, Beauty and Planet, and Talenti. We are getting coupons on all of these products on Sunday. So the deal that I put together is buying 2 of the Dove hair care. You can either get the men's or the women's. They are $6.79 each. And 1 of the Talenti, they are $5.99. Use a $1 off 1 Talenti from the $4.19 Retail Me Not. A 2 off of 2 Dove coupon, also getting on Sunday in the Retail Me Not insert. Then if you have a 3 off of 10 Dove hair care CRT or a 3 off of 12 any hair care CRT, you can definitely use that in this deal. You'll pay $13.57, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $2.85 each, which is not a bad deal. Sometimes we get Dove a little bit cheaper, but this is definitely going to be a great deal. And the, $13 and something cents is going to count towards CVS Beauty. So if you do all of these deals so far, the $10 for the Tresemme, $6 for the Suave, if you do the Dove hair care as well, you'll be almost at hitting beauty. Anyone who is new to couponing at CVS, every $30 in CVS Beauty products you buy, you get another $3 beauty buck, and that goes on your account within 48 hours. So stay tuned for this one. Keep a lookout for any Aveeno facial care CRTs. I have this one that printed the current Sunday, or last Sunday, I guess you would call it, that I'm going to try to put together a great deal for next Sunday. You will also be getting a $3 beauty buck if you are doing like facial care products, and that's going to make it an even better deal. So as you see listed here, it says save up to $18.50 in digital coupons. The only digital I show right now is one for Aveeno Baby. So hopefully on Sunday, we are going to be getting a lot more coupons. They may be for Neutrogena, Lubriderm as well, because those are also included. So I will try to put together a good deal for this if it winds up being worthwhile, and I will let you guys know on Sunday in my CVS haul video. This is a limit of 1 as well. L'Oreal Elvive is also a great hair care deal, and this will put you over the beauty, and you will get back a $3 beauty back if you do all of the items so far in this video. So the Elvive is on sale, buy 2. Get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what you do is pick up 2 of them. They are going to be regular priced. Online shows $5.29. Use a 4 off of 2 coupon coming in the inserts. Again, that is regional. It did not show in the coupon insert preview. You'll pay $6.58, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is going to be $1.58 for 2, or 79 cents each. Here is another great freebie. We haven't had a great deal like this in a while because the coupons we used to be getting are like $1 off 1. We are getting $2 coupons that should be in every Sunday paper. So fingers crossed that all regions get that coupon. If you see this little down arrow as well, that means we're going to be getting a digital coupon. It just doesn't say what value. It should be the $2 digital, but we'll have to check on Sunday. Make sure you clip that and send it to your card. So what you would do is pick up 1 of the tampons, 18 count, and 1 of the pads, 14 to 18 count. The reason why I have these 2 as the ones you would buy is because of the coupons. Now, depending on what the digital is, you might be able to get, 2 pads if you like to use pads instead, or 2 of the tampon packets, whatever you guys need. And they're on sale 2 for $8. So that's why I just put $8 right here. Then you're going to use a $2 coupon from the $4.19 Smart Source for the tampons. We're also getting a separate $2 coupon for the pads. If you have a 2 off of 2 feminine care CRT, make sure you add that. You'll pay $2 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra back, so final cost is completely free. Always a great donation item, of course, as well, if you want to send it to a women's shelter or even a middle school or a high school. A lot of them now have what they call closets where students can come and get some items for free if they need them. In middle school and in high school, always great to send them some pads. I don't think they're allowed to give out tampons. That's what I've been told. So let me know in the comments if you've donated to a school before, if they do take tampons, or if you know any more about the regulations. So that way, if we can pick them up for free, we know which items to grab, especially if we're wanting to donate them. Crest toothpaste, another great freebie. This one anyone can do. No CRTs needed, no paper coupons needed. It's all digital. So if you sign up for the CVS app, even if you sign up today, you should get that digital tomorrow. So fingers crossed. They are on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 2. Of course, there's only going to be 1 digital coupon. We are getting some $1 off 1 Crest coupons in our Sunday paper. So if you wanted to do it twice, the second time that you do it, your final cost would be $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Doing it this way with the digital coupon, you'll pay $3, get back $3. So there you go, completely free. Super excited to share with you guys that one. So here is an oral care deal. The first page of the ad shows the Colgate deal. I would not do that unless you're going to be doing it in a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT scenario, because we get free and cheap Colgate all the time. Next week at Walgreens, you can get Colgate completely free. So if you don't have the CRT, but you need some Colgate toothpaste, go to Walgreens. Once you're rolling the $5 register reward, it's going to be completely free. So I would definitely recommend doing that. At CVS, one way that you can use that 3 off of 12 CRT is to buy 2 of the Crest, 1 of the Colgate toothpaste for $3.49, and 1 of the Colgate mouthwashes for $3.99. That'll put your total at $13.49. The coupons that you would use is the 3 off of 2 Crest digital, a 50-cent Colgate coupon. Hopefully we get a digital, not sure yet. Or you can find one in the $4.19 Smart Source insert. Use that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT as well. You'll pay $6.99 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back the following extra backs: $3 from the Crest deal, $2 from the Colgate mouthwash deal, and $1.50 for the Colgate toothpaste deal. So the total you're going to get back is $6.50. Final cost is going to be 49 cents for all 4 items, or about 12 cents each. So that is an amazing scenario. This is the one that I am definitely going to be doing. I do have a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. Now, another CRT that you could use that I didn't add in here is a $1 off 1 mouthwash CRT. If you have that, that'll make it a 50-cent moneymaker. So double check your CRTs on Sunday. That is when we get our new rounds. Make sure as well, if you haven't either printed your CRTs from the current week at the Redbox or at home, make sure you clip it and send them all to your card. If you do not do that, they will disappear tomorrow because we get a whole nother round. So send your CRTs to your card. On Sunday, you're going to get more CRTs. So you never want to make sure that you let those slip or disappear on you. So heads up on that. I will post that on the community tab as well to remind you. Here is the deal I put together for the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. What I put together, because all of these paper products, I haven't seen them in stores. I did actually go to Publix today for my shopping trip for the week. I found like there was only 5 containers left, so I picked up 2 for the Lysol wipes. So I was super excited about that because I only have, I think, like half a container left of Lysol wipes, and we've always used that to clean the kitchen counters, clean the kitchen table, our little side tables, things like that. So I was really excited about that. Just a side note. Anyway, so I never include any of the items that I haven't seen in a while because there's no point in putting together an amazing deal if it's not attainable. So I did include the Kleenex and the Kleenex wet wipes. Both of the stores that I've been to have a ton of them. So they keep restocking those and they haven't been wiped out like the paper products have been. So fingers crossed you can use those as well. So what you're going to want to pick up is one of the Gain Liquid at $4.94, one Tide Pods at $4.94. We are showing a send to card coupon. I'm not sure if it's going to be for the Gain or the Tide Pods. I'm assuming it's going to be the Tide Pods. We already have a $1 off digital for the Gain Liquid. So make sure you have that clipped and sent to your card. That's available. I had it clipped a little while ago, but it should still be there in your account. Then you're going to pick up one of the Tide Liquids at $5.94. There's another send to card coupon coming. 2 of the Kleenex regular and 2 of the Kleenex wet wipes. And both of those are on sale, 2 for $3. Total is going to come to $21.81. Here are the coupons you're going to need. $2 digital for the Tide Pods, $2 digital for the Tide Liquid, $1 digital for the Gain detergent. Then 2 50-cent printable coupons from Kleenex.com. You can also check scottbrand.com, see if they have it as well. So with all of those coupons, I didn't find any CRTs that would really match. We haven't seen any of the laundry CRTs. If you have like a Tide CRT, 2 off of 8, you can definitely use that because we're buying 2 Tides in this scenario, and your total is going to be more than $8. Without any CRTs, you'll pay $15.81. Get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is going to be $10.81 for 7 items, or $1.51 per item. So I definitely think that is a great price point for all of these items, especially all of the laundry products. So if you do take advantage of these deals, you should be stocked up for quite a while. So those are all of the deals that I have for you for the must-do deals for CVS next week. If you haven't checked out my Walgreens must-do deals video and entered in that giveaway for the $10 gift card, make sure you click this video here in the top left. Also, the coupon insert preview video. If you haven't checked that out, see what kind of great coupons we have available, you can click this video in the top right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.